So, in previous class, we discussed about the political party and its meaning. Now, and its function too. Now, we are discuss about the types of party system. There are three types of party system. One party system. In one party system, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. Communist party in China is the best example of one party system, because in one party system nobody raised the voice against the government, nobody have chance to elect the elections. Each and every work done by the one party. Why we called it one party system? Because election is there, but only one party will stand over there. Like in China, only Communist party stand for the election contest, and after that, after completion the election, they will declare as a winner party, not any competitor, not any rival over there. This is the difference between another party system over one party system. Is that clear? Now we are talking about two party system. In the two party system, power usually changes between two main parties. Mean to say, in one country having only two parties, one time one party will be in ruling part, and after that next time another party will get the chance to do the rule over there. So like this, in the one two party system, usually between the two competition between the two parties. So other parties may exist, कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन एंड विन ओनली अ फ्यू सीट्स. हो सकता है कि दूसरी पार्टीज भी बेटा उसमें हो और वो थोड़ी बहुत सीट्स विन कर लें, लेकिन मेन काम जो है वो टू पार्टी सिस्टम का ही चल रहा है. द यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका एंड यूनाइटेड किंगडम आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टू पार्टी सिस्टम. क्लियर? दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टू पार्टी सिस्टम. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. In multi-party system, more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming together to form the government. In the multi-party system, दो से ज़्यादा पार्टीज को चांस होता है, इसमें भाग लेने का, चांस ऑफ कमिंग टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. Like in our country, in India, there are lot many parties, all are having chance to elect the elections. Coalition government and alliance system are the specific feature of multi-party system. Multi-party system में coalition government and alliance, ये दो सिस्टम स्पेसिफिक होते हैं. कोलिशन का मतलब भी होता है दो तीन पार्टियां जिनकी आइडियोलॉजी डिफरेंट होती है लेकिन मिलजुल के काम करते हैं. दैट वाज कॉल्ड कोलिशन, गठजोड़ कर लेना. अलायंस का मतलब भी होता है किसी के साथ संगठन करना, फ्रेंडली, अपनी मतलब वॉलंटरली आप किसी के साथ पार्ट कर रहे हो, भाग ले रहे हो, उसका हिस्सा बन रहे हो, लाइक दैट. क्लियर? सो these are the specific feature in the multi-party system. India is the best example of multi-party system. In our country having lot many parties and each and every party having chance to elect the elections. Clear? Now we are talking about kinds of political parties. There are two kinds. One is national parties, another one regional parties. National mean which parties introduce in whole country, center and state, both sides, and regional mean only particular one area having the party. Further its detail we will discuss further. Is it clear?